Wanna know how to open POM of your project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and not under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, opening POM of your project is super simple. So what you need to do is simply open up your project and make sure you're under this project's file right here. If you don't see it, just simply towards a window and just simply open up projects or files. So I'd recommend to go for files for this one since it will be easier. Now just simply select any file or your project that you want. Just simply right click on it, and now once you right clicked on it, here you should be seeing open POM. So make sure you right click on your file or project and then just simply select open POM, and after a while your POM should be open up right here and you should be seeing all of its properties and project properties right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.